Integrated Wellbeing Networks is a place-based approach to wellbeing. We are currently piloting the initiative in Blaenau and Tredegar. We aim to bring together professionals from across Blaenau Gwent and community members to identify issues and gaps in service and support in the towns that the people live. We then aim for communities and professionals to work together to come up with solutions and implement them on a place-based basis. One of the aims of Integrated Wellbeing Networks is to ensure that people and professionals are aware of all the supports and services that are available to them, making sure that information is widely available to frontline staff and community members. In order to do this, we've created Wellbeing Friends. Wellbeing Friends are community members who have agreed to receive a newsletter each month and have informal conversations with family, friends and work colleagues, spreading information around services and support that are available. When we've talked to communities, one of the big things that they say is an issue is mental health and access to services and support. Therefore, we are now looking at creating a wellbeing mental health pathway for Blaenau Gwent. This pathway will allow professionals and community members to know exactly what services are running to support their mental health that they can access themselves or with support of a professional. We are also aiming to ensure that more people across Blaenau Gwent are not digitally excluded. Lots of people have told us that through the COVID pandemic, it's been really difficult to integrate into communities and services and support because they are online. Therefore, we will be looking at spreading the information that we have around the services and support that are available. As part of our wellbeing collaboratives that we have set up for Blaenau and Tredegar, we now have around 150 members. These members are made up of professionals and community members who come together to devise solutions to issues that the community have identified. This has been very beneficial during the COVID pandemic. We've been able to maintain contact with our professionals and communities using online technology. We have currently recruited around 150 wellbeing friends who regularly are in contact with us to let us know what is happening in their communities and how we can help or signpost them to services and support. Before COVID, the community of Blaenau told us that they would like more opportunities to be physically active in their town with their children. A consultation was held in Blaenau Welfare Park that brought together lots of different agencies and also community members to help us come up with a plan of things that we could do in the park to support physical activity for families. Unfortunately, this work was put on hold due to the COVID pandemic, but as regulations ease, this will be a project that will be picked up and involve communities and professionals. Integrated Wellbeing Networks aim to bring together professionals and members of the community together in a collaborative. We also aim to make sure that information around services and support is widely available through our community hubs, our libraries, our community centres and GP surgeries. We also want to make sure that our frontline workers have the right training and skills to be able to support communities to increase their own well-being. If you would like to become involved in the collaborative or become a wellbeing friend, please get in touch. You can do this by emailing me, or alternatively, you can drop me a message on Facebook on our Facebook page, which is Blaenau Gwent Wellbeing Friends. The more the merrier in relation to people that are involved in the collaborative in Blaenau and Tredegar. So I look forward to hearing from you soon.